Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. Looking for a Denali? This is the 2016 edition, the GMC Yukon Denali. Stock number is T20613A. Let's give you that virtual video walkaround on the exterior. Then we're going to put you inside the vehicle too on the interior. Take notice of the exterior condition. No dents, no dings, no scrapes, no scratches. This low mileage Yukon, as you can notice, has the automatic rear door. We're going to show you all the spacing here. Ample room for friends and family with a comfortable ride. I'm going to take you down the exterior passenger side, and then we're going to put you on the interior in just a second. Traveling with friends or family, look at all this legroom. Boom. Leather interior, of course. DVD, little entertainment value for your trips, and then we're going to put you in the front compartment here of this Denali. Super low mileage, not going to last long. For more information on this vehicle or any others in our inventory, give us a call, email us, or text us. We look forward to answering those questions. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. Now, I'm going to go take her for a test drive. Hope you will too. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.